What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have a product from Poetic. They were kind enough to send me out 2 of their cases, but we're just going to open up one for right now and do this one in the next video. So we have the Guardian case for my Google Pixel 6 Pro. As you can see, it says Poetic Guardian Series Google Pixel 6 Pro. This is the black version. I'm glad they sent me out black. I was hoping they would send me out black. And as you can see, I have the sexy Google Pixel 6 Pro sitting right there side. Anyways, crack open this bad boy. And I want to say thank you once again. Thank you for sending me out your product. This is the first time I've gotten something from Poetic, but I appreciate what they were able to send me. So I'm gonna open it up like so. So you get your case. You get the casing, the housing for your case. This is the Guardian. This is a 2-part case. Gotta turn to the Hulk. Okay, so the thing is, you get the back case and you also get a screen with the screen protector already inside of it if you want to use it. But what's so good about Poetic is they give you a choice. So now they send you one with the screen protector already attached. If I just didn't pop it out, but they send you a screen protector with it already attached, or they send you the product, another frame for the front of the device. Gotta be the Hulk. Okay, so they send you another frame for the front of the device without the screen protector, which is cool because I currently have LK screen protector on my Pixel 6 Pro, and I do not care to take it off at the moment. So this is so I'm gonna leave it on, so that's perfect. But this is the little instruction guide. If you want to use it, you can use it. If not, you don't have to. All instructions, I flick them to the side there. So first we're going to put this one in with the screen protector. Even though I know I already have a screen protector on my Pixel 6 Pro, we're still going to place it in like so. So I can show you what it looked like if you don't have a screen protector on your Google Pixel 6 Pro and you do end up buying this case and you want to end up using the screen protector. So this is what it'll look like. You want to make sure everything is off in the grooves. It's sitting in there right and flush. And this is what it will look like with the front housing that has a screen protector on there. And I can already see that I'm not really gonna like this housing with the screen protector already inside, because with this one they have a hole there to let you know where your fingerprint scanner is. There's a cutout, and that looks very awkward to me. The reason why it's not working is because, like I said, I already have a screen protector installed. It's the LK screen protector. So I have a screen protector on top of a plastic screen protector. So that's why it's not working well. But I just wanted to install it to let you see what it'll look like if you wanted to use the front housing with the screen protector already pre-installed, which is really not a screen protector. It's just a plastic film, basically. So pretty much this is what it will look like if you wanted to use it with. Like I said, you're going to have that ugly circle there. So, I mean, if you have a darker screen protector, you shouldn't see it. But with this lighter screen protector, you can see that spot because that's where the fingerprint sensor sits on the home screen. But even though I have a screen protector already installed and using this plastic one on top of it, it's still running smooth. It just won't let me do my fingerprint. But I guarantee if I took the LK screen protector off and just used the front housing of this screen protector, it'll work like a charm. But for this video, I'm not going to do that. So let's take a walk around the case. So at the bottom here, you get a slot for your charger. On this side, you get nothing. And on this side, you get your button, your power button, your volume up and down button. Nice and clicky. And you get feet, so if your phone drops flat on the table, you're good and protected. But you really don't have to worry anyway, because this has that front housing screen protector on it. So it's not like your screen is touching the table, so you don't have to worry about that. It has a nice lip on it, as you can see. On the back here, you still get access to look at your nice color of your device that you chose, which I chose that cloudy white. You get a nice setup for your camera, and yes, I have a screen protector on my camera lens, which is still a LK screen protector. But overall, this is a nice looking case. I like the look and the feel. This does not add too much bulk to your Google Pixel 6 Pro, but this does keep it protected. So now we're going to take this the one with the screen protector off, and we're going to place the one in without the screen protector housing, because I have an LK screen protector. So all you would need to do is the exact same steps, but this time my screen is fully out. But I'm not too worried about that, because I have a screen protector already on my device, and it pretty much looks the exact same, except this time you don't have to worry about seeing that ring for your fingerprint scanner, because this is a screen protector that I have already on my device. But it still looks nice. You still get the same amount of protection as you would using this screen protector housing. But if you place your phone flat down on a table, you still do not have to worry about it touching the table. As long as you have a screen protector on your device, you should be good to go. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.